Hey YouTube, welcome to part 5 of my Next Destinies. Pretty big opening. I've got obviously this part 6, 7, and 8 to go. It's a new day for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep opening them. I did end up opening a few off camera with my girlfriend, and I ended up pulling this awesome cool Regigigas full art, and that was it. So yeah, really nice pull. That's a card that I need, which is awesome. And we have, obviously, a ton more packs to open. I'm hoping to get Mr. Mewtwo, one of them, because I don't want to pay 50 to 60 bucks for a card like that. I'd rather just pull it. So we got Hippowdon, Expert Share, Luxio, Staryu, Pikachu, Shinx, Grimer, Pansage, a Pansage Reverse, which is a number 6, which I have. Let me go and make my piles, and another Articuno Holo. Very nice. As always, all the cards that you see in this opening are for sale, except for the ultra rares. So you can buy uncommons, the commons, 10 cents a piece, or reverses, or any of the holos or trainers, you name it, it is for sale. Obviously, except for the ultra rares. This to get like a mass amount of doubles or something. Double colorless energy, Minchino, Lampit, Seedot, Cubchoo, Shinx, Kricketot, whoops, Riolu, you get a Simisage, which is a number 7. I do have this, and a Darmanitan. I do have quite a few of these, and from what I hear, they are very good in decks. So, those will definitely be for sale. And guys, for the sale part, make me an offer. If you find it for a price on eBay, tell me, and I'll do it for a little bit less. I really want to do it for less than everyone else so I can get rid of them. So just let me know. Basculin, Luxio, Prism Energy, Panseer, Una, Litwick, Elgum, Panpour, Ralts Reverse, which is a number 55. And I have that as well. And a Reshiram. That's nice. Also, 50 cents each for my code cards. I have over 100 now. Lapras, Basculin, Kirlia, Kricketot, Riolu, Staryu, Pikachu, Shinx, Bronzor Reverse, number 75. I have that. Nice. And a Bronzong. Hoping to get at least one shiny, one full art, and one EX before I'm done with this thing opening. Double colorless, Kricketot, Minchino, Kricketot, Sneasel, Cubchoo, Growlithe, Bronzor, a Meowth Reverse, number 80. I need this, and another Bronzong. So there's one good pull. Getting closer to completing my reverse set, which I should complete. Bam. Put that off to the side. Gonna go ahead and organize these cards real quick. Alright, we got halfway there. 5 left. Let's see what we can pull. Hoping to get like an EX or something. That'd be nice. 1, 2, 3. Extra Chair, Frillish, Arcanine, Growlithe, Hippopotas, Ferroseed, Blitzel, Pidove, Minchino Reverse, number 84. I need that. Awesome. And a Beartic. That makes me happy. One more card than I need. Wicked. Mark that off. Number 84. Still need quite a few, but I will get there. Oh, looks like my cat is wanting to try to jump up on here. Dang cat. She might make another appearance. I never know. Alright, we got Jigglypuff, Basculin, Sky Aerobridge, Cubchoo, Growlithe, Bronzor, Fungus, Pidove, Scraggy, that's cool, Reverse, and a Simipour. Sadly have those two, but Scraggy, the Reverse Darkness are always really cool to look at. I think they're probably one of the better reverses in the sets. Double Colorless Energy, Minccino, Lampent, Mindfu, Kricketot, Sneasel, Cubchoo, Growlithe, Cubchoo Reverse, number 36. I have that, and a Behemoth. Such a weird Pokemon. So far, not the best pulls in this part, that's for sure, guys, and I apologize for that, but sometimes luck is not on their side. Kirlia, Lovable, Luxio, Bronzor, Ferroseed, Cubchoo, Pansage, Grimer, Jigglypuff, number 78. Have that, and a Zipstrika. Alright guys, last pack. Maybe we'll end with a nice hollow. Would be nice. Something cool. Like a Gardevoir, something. Doesn't look like it. Pokemon Center, Raichu, Minccino, Kricketot, Ralts, Meow, Blitzel, Pansage, Amoonguss Reverse, number 9. I have that, and a Zekrom. So overall, this part was pretty crappy. We'll leave it at that. And stay tuned for, what is it, part 6 next. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, make sure to comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.